MOSI. Sorry we're delayed. We had to, due to the weather, transfer what we were doing into our STEAM lab here. Today we're going to talk about fireworks. I know this weekend is a big weekend for a lot of fireworks. Places are setting them off. And we want to give you a little bit of information about fireworks and how to do a family-friendly event. First off, our trivia question for today is, where did fireworks originate? I can tell you that it was not Antarctica, and it was not the US. So we're going to see if anyone can tell me where fireworks originate. So first off, fireworks have colors due to a lot of things. Chemicals, the temperature that they're burning, how long they're burning. Before we get to the really cool stuff, I'm going to teach you a little bit of family-friendly one. This one requires just some of those film canisters or anything. You can also use small, the kind of cheaper Tupperware containers. Will work also. You want a lid that is secure enough, but will pop off. You just need some water, some food coloring, or if you're doing this outside on, say, the sidewalk, you can ground up some chalk and put it in there, and then it'll turn your sidewalk all sorts of colors. But what you do, fill it up with water. I use food coloring. You take an Alka-Seltzer tablet, drop it in here, and what you're going to want to do is drop it, put the lid on fast, and turn it upside down. Oh, that one was a dud. Sometimes that happens. So we're going to try it again. We're going to see if it'll work on the next one. Sometimes if you don't put the lid on tight enough or fast enough, it'll do that. Now, some of these you can get much higher. See? There you go. You could try it with something bigger. Now, if you want a little bit bigger of an approach, just take a 2-liter bottle. You can also sometimes use just water bottles. You are going to take some tape, some popsicle sticks, and you're basically going to create a frame for the popsicle sticks around the bottle so that when you turn it upside down, it will rest. Now for this one, you're going to use baking soda and vinegar, like those volcanoes. You'd pour the vinegar in here, baking soda, and then you're going to take a cork, like out of a wine bottle, put it in there, cork it, set it upside down, and it's going to go off. To make it a lot of fun if you're doing this at night, you can take some glow sticks, put them in there with the vinegar. That way when it sets it off and goes up in the air, it's going to light up the night sky. So to show you this video, and we're going to link, Catherine did the bottle rockets. I'm going to show you the video real fast, and you guys can watch it on our YouTube channel. She just corked it, and that went about 50 or 60 feet. So, now we're going to get on to the chemicals of fireworks. The fireworks often get their color due to the heat that they are, because different energy and heat gives off different colors. Also, it depends on their chemicals that you put inside of them. We have 4 different chemicals to use to produce some different colors. So, my options are pink, red, green or purple? What color does anybody want? Is anyone out there who wants a specific color? We just got to do safety first. Gotta make sure I got my goggles on. Purple for MOSI. Okay. Now, this is not something that you can do at home. These are chemicals that you cannot have access to at home. Okay. Now, the different chemicals could be potassium chloride, copper chloride, lithium chloride, or strontium chloride. Can anyone guess which one gives off the purple one? So, I have my flame. I think the purple one may need to mix a little bit more. What other color should we do?
We had a request for green.
For green. Now that's my favorite color. I am a little biased on that one. Can anyone guess which chemicals cause the green color? Out of our 4 listed. This one might be a little bit easier to guess because this is something that's often used outside, and then after it rains, this color will turn green. We're going to have to do another color. Maybe once I do, I'm going to do red. This is a chemical that's often used in road flares. And then once we're done, I can try using the green in this one. No guesses yet as to what color does what?
We had a request for blue, and someone said copper.
Yes, copper is the one that's green. You do not have the blue color, unfortunately. So, that you could see. So that was the red one. That was pretty impressive, right? So the copper is the green one, just like that is. Those colors don't actually match up. I just happened to choose. So the copper is green. Can anyone guess which one the red one was? There we go. It was the squirt part. Here's the green one. It is. The red one is strontium. So strontium is red. I hope I wrote upside down correctly. So our last one we have is pink. Which one do you guys think it is? The potassium or the lithium chloride? Pretty cool colors, isn't it? So, anyone guess what the pink one was? The last one we're going to do is we're going to go back and try the purple one that we never got from MOSI Colors. So, the purple one could either be the lithium chloride or the potassium chloride. Still got a little bit of the green left in there. Any last guesses? Okay, I'll give it away. The potassium chloride is the purple, and the lithium chloride is the pink. Now, next week, Catherine is going to be talking about some heat transfer out at the beach and which colors absorb the most heat. So maybe this weekend when you're out and about, you can try it out and see. Wear different color clothing and see which one makes you feel hotter. Or maybe do some research and have some guesses for her when she comes. Now, fireworks, they originated in China. Not the US, but in China, many, many years ago. Thank you for watching Virtual MOSI. I'm Chris, and we will see you next time.